Hey YouTube, it is Gina, the Frugal Diva. I do apologize that I did not get this ad up sooner. I actually have had it for darn near a week now, but it has been such a crazy busy week for me, so I'm just now getting it up for you guys. But I still hope it helps you plan out your scenarios for the week. So this is for February 5th through 11th at Rite Aid. They are doing Blizzard points still. Spend 30 and get back $10 in plenty points on items that have this little blue points blizzard symbol on the items. So let's get into it. I know we have a coupon coming out this week for $1 off because I actually already have my inserts. This sometimes turns out to be a really good deal. I know it did anyway when we had the starting points. I'm noticing that deals aren't as great with the points blizzard because it's been 30, get back 10. It was a higher percentage back when we did the starting points. But definitely check and see if that turns out to be a good deal for Cottonelle or Viva or even Kleenex if that's something that you need. Got some Valentine's stuff, some gift card deals. Always look out for these gift card deals because if it's things that you're going to already buy a gift card, well, not a gift card, but you're already going to purchase from, like say for instance, you're already planning on going to the movies. Why not save $5 buying a gift card to pay for those movie tickets? It's worth the savings. I'm going to have the Schick razors part of the points blizzard. I'm not really sure exactly. They're saying it's a $2 coupon coming out in the papers, but there could be a better coupon on coupons.com for those items. Okay. I think this one turns out to be a pretty good deal this week. I think someone was telling me that. I haven't really looked at it and worked out any scenarios, but it could be. I know we have Nivea coupons as well for both the body wash and for the lotion. And I noticed that the Almay is going to be part of this week's deals as well, which if you did not get in on the Almay this past week, it was buy one get one 50% off as well, and it was part of the points blizzard. And these cleansing wipes like these ended up being free. I actually found twin packs of the cleansing wipes at all of my stores, so I was getting double the amount for free. Why not? These Big Win waters, that's going to be a pretty good deal. It's the 32 pack of water, especially when you don't have a coupon for water. They end up being, I believe, just over $2, like $2.20, something like that. But that's a pretty good deal for that count of water. I'm sure most of us have gotten water way cheaper, but you gotta, wait out for it to either have a coupon or there to be some kind of great deal at Target where there's a cartwheel included and things like that. And if you're like me, my family only drinks bottled water. We don't buy soda or anything like that. So I buy these by the case. I won't be doing this deal because I did the big win water on the starting points deal, and I think I got like 60 cases at that time because literally I have to stock up on water when I find it cheap because that's all we drink. So I think I still have about 40 cases. Got more vitamin deals. There should be no person without vitamins. The deals that have been going on with these vitamins. You should be stocked up for more than a year. I know we have coupons for the OptiFree, and clearly it's showing that. So that may be a really good deal on Solution. So definitely look into that if you wear contacts. Getting to this deal. These are part of the Points Blizzard, and there's 500 Plenty Points when you buy one. And it's a limit of 2 per card. Definitely a deal you should be working into your scenario because it's pretty much a double dip. You're getting the Points Blizzard points back as well as you're getting points on the item that you're buying. That hardly ever happens. So definitely grab those light bulbs. I don't know if there's any coupons out for those right now. Last time I checked, I couldn't find any. But even without a coupon, that's a deal that why pass it up? It's basically they're giving it to you and you might as well take it. But that is a great deal. I will probably be getting as many as my store will let me because I have several cards. So I don't know if they'll have enough for me to get all that I need for each card. Now this is new, these 2-for deals, kind of singled out like this anyway. So they're going to have a lot of things that are 2 for something. So 2 for 4 for Progresso, 2 for 6 for the Ruffles and Cheetos and the Smart Food popcorn and so on and so forth. And mostly every last one of them are part of the Points Blizzard. So that's a pretty good deal, especially if you have some coupons to bring that cost down. Got some snacks and candies over here. And just like the other one, some of these are part of the Points Blizzard. I know there was some pillies out there for this gummy snack, the organic gummy bears. So, yeah, don't know if there still are or not. Got your Band-Aids and first aid stuff. This here, just, to me, this is not going to be a great deal for diapers. I usually get diapers for $2 or less a pack, and I think they end up being like $3.50. However, you know, if that's something that you use, that you need for your baby, then that still could be a great deal because diapers are expensive. So I know we got a $3 coupon on coupons.com. I'm not sure. It's saying that there's going to be one in the Sunday paper, but I'm not sure. It's probably going to be a $2 coupon. So definitely, if you can get your hands on the $3 coupon from coupons.com, that makes for a better deal on those diapers. All right, guys. That is the ad for February 5th through 11th at Rite Aid. And like I said, again, it's part of the Points Blizzard. I think the next couple of ads will be. So definitely rack up those points, guys, while you're getting these deals. And like I said, I hope this helps. I'm sorry that I got this up later than normal. Next week's will definitely be up earlier in the week. And I will talk to you guys then. Bye.